Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Amandeep Kaur and today we are diving into a topic most of you have asked about: skincare for sensitive skin. If your skin gets dead, irritated or just doesn't play nice with most of the product, then this video is for you. Stick around for my tips, product recommendation and simple routine to keep your skin happy and calm. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what sensitive skin is. Sensitive skin react easily to triggers like harsh chemicals, weather changes, or even stress. I often see patients struggling to find products that don't cause flare-ups. The key: understanding your skin's triggers. Common culprits include alcohol in product, fragrances, or over-exfoliating agents. If you are unsure what's causing sensitivity, patch test on your inner arm before applying directly to your face. Let's build a simple skincare routine for sensitive skin. Number 1. Cleanser. Use a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser. Look for ingredients like glycerin or ceramide, which hydrates your skin while cleansing. These are some of my recommendations for cleansers. Number 2. Moisturizer. Hydration is critical for sensitive skin. Look for soothing ingredients in your moisturizer like aloe, chamomile, or niacinamide, because these ingredients strengthen your skin barrier. Apply your moisturizer while your skin is still damp to lock in moisture. Here are some of my recommendations for moisturizer. Number 3 and very important step: sunscreen. Opt for a mineral-based sunscreen having zinc oxide or titanium dioxide because they are less likely to irritate. Apply it every morning, whether rain or shine. There are some of my recommendations for sunscreen. If you want to add serum in your skincare routine, look for soothing ingredients like Centella asiatica or panthenol, as these ingredients can calm inflammation but keep it minimal. Remember, less is more with sensitive skin. Now, let's cover some key do's and don'ts. Do: stick to fragrance-free and hypoallergenic products. Always patch test first. Don't over-exfoliate. Skip harsh soaps, harsh chemicals, or acids like salicylic acid or retinol unless your dermatologist or doctor says that your skin can handle them. And please, no essential oils, they are common trigger. Pro tip: keep a skin diary. Track what products you use and how your skin reacts. That's it for today's guide to sensitive skin. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the button for more such tips. Drop your questions in the comments. Have you struggled with sensitive skin? What products work for you? I'll try to answer them all. Follow me on Instagram for more skincare advice. See you next time.